Hello mga paps, welcome back ulit no sa ating panibagong YouTube video. So ang video natin ngayon mga paps ay ang topic natin ay ano na po ba ang mga latest internet promo ng Smart TNT and Son. So alamin natin mga paps kung ano na ba yung mga pagbabago, ano ba yung mga bagong promo nila na affordable at sulit na sulit. At ang maganda rito, at isasabi ko na rin sa inyo yung mga magandang gamitin pang VPN. Okay, so una-una i-download nyo muna tong Smart application sa Play Store. So pumunta lang kayo sa Play Store, download nyo yung Smart application. Ngayon pag na-download nyo na tong application na to, open nyo lang, tapos mag-sign up lang kayo or mag-login lang kayo. Pag naka-login na kayo dito sa application na to, ganito yung magpapakita. Close nyo lang. So i-click nyo tong don't miss out. So ito yung last video natin, no? So kung may unli data kayo. Pero kung sakaling walang unli data, sa tabi niya mayroong nakalagay na double plus giga. So kung makikita nyo rito, ito po yung mga latest internet promo ng Smart TNT and Son. Double giga video plus 130, total 17 gig 2 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart and live stream. Double giga video plus 399, total 64 gig 2 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart and live stream. So dito naman guys, ito yung magandang gamitin pang VPN. Double giga story 130, total 17 gig, 2 gig stories araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, Twitter plus Kumu, valid for 7 days. Double giga stories 399, total of 64 gig, 2 gig stories araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, Twitter, Kumu plus 4 gig plus only all net calls and text for 30 days. So yan yung nandyan sa don't miss out. Punta naman tayo sa hot deals. Ano ba meron sa hot deals? Check natin. Giga video 299, total 34 gig, 1 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart live stream I want TFC plus 4 gig for 30 days. Dito naman tayo sa Giga Plus exclusive. So double giga video 65, total of 8 gig, 2 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart live stream valid for 3 days. Double giga video 130 plus, ayun yun kanina. So, ayun, nabanggit ito. Double giga video stories, double giga stories plus 65, total gig 8 gig, 2 gig stories araw-araw for TikTok, FB, IG, Twitter, Kumu plus 2 gig, only all net calls and text for 3 days. So, nabanggit ko na iba. So, tara naman dito sa 222 for 200. So, click natin. Ano ba to? Okay. So, click natin ito. Ano to? Promo load 200 plus 22 pesos. Kung maglo-load ka, okay. So, next, proceed tayo dito sa Giga Everyday. Ano ba laman nito? So, click natin tong new video. Okay, so, click natin to. Giga video 60, total 5 gig, 2 gig plus 1 GB video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart live stream I want TFC plus only all net text for 3 days. So, ito namang isa, valid for 7 days, giga video 120, total 11 gig, 1 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart live stream I want TFC, 7 gig plus 4 gig for 7 days. Tumang 30 days with total of 36 gig, 1 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart live stream I want TFC, 30 gig plus 6 gig, valid for 30 days. Next, other video, mas mura. Giga video 50, total gig 4 gig, 1 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, etc. Valid for 3 days. Okay, ito Giga video 99, ganun din, ang pinagkaiba lang ay 7 days. Dito naman sa 30 days, ganun din, 1 gig video araw-araw, pinagkaiba lang 30 days po siya. Next, tara sa stories. Click natin to. Okay, ganun din, 2 gig stories araw-araw. Hindi, total of 5 gig, 2 gig plus 1 gig stories araw-araw for 3 days. Ito naman 1 gig stories araw-araw for 7 days. Giga stories 120 for valid for 1 month. 1 gig stories araw-araw for IG, TikTok, IG, FB, Twitter, Kumu, 30 gig plus 6 gig, 349 pesos, valid for 1 month. Ano to? Games. Dito naman tayo sa games. Click natin sa mga mahilig sa game. Giga Games 60, 5 gig, 1 gig games araw-araw for ML, PUBG, Mobile Call of Duty, Wild Rift, COC, AOV, Clash of Royale, FB Gaming, Giga Arena, etc. Valid for 3 days. Ito naman, ganun din, pero pinagkaiba lang is valid for 7 days. Dito, ganun din, 1 gig games araw-araw, pinagkaiba lang, 30 days po siya. Next. Other games. Tingnan natin ito, other games. Click natin yan. Giga Games, 1. Okay, 1 gig games araw-araw for 5G mobile, ML, etc. Yun na yun. Isa pang game na yan. Next, dito naman sa power. 2 gig power araw-araw for all sites and apps plus shareable data. Ano ba to? Giga power 75, total of 8 gig. 2 gig power araw-araw for all sites and apps plus 2 gig shareable data for 3 days. Giga power 149, total 20 gig. 2 gig power araw-araw for all sites and apps plus 6 gig shareable data for 7 days. 30 days tayo. Giga power 499, total of 84 gig. 2 gig power araw-araw for all sites and apps plus 24 gig shareable data for 30 days. Next. Okay, next tayo dito tayo sa all data. Click natin all data. Click natin yan. All data 50, 2 gig shareable data for all sites valid for 3 days. All data 99, 6 gig shareable data valid for 7 days. All data 299, 24 gig shareable data for all sites valid for 30 days. Next. All data plus. Okay, parehas lang, pinagkaiba lang, meron siyang kasamang only all net calls and text valid for 3 days. Ganun din, only all net calls and text valid for 7 days. Ganun din, only all net calls and text valid for 30 days naman. Magic data. No expiry, click natin. Magic data 99, 2 gig magic data, no expiry for all sites. Magic data 199, 6 gig magic data, no expiry for all sites. Magic data 399 pesos, valid for, 24 gig magic data, no expiry for all sites. Next, Magic Data Plus. Ganun din, ang pinagkaiba lang, meron lang siyang kasamang mga pang-text. Okay? Ayan, pares lang yan. May pang-text at call lang nakasama. Okay, next. Only 5G data. Only 5G data for 7 days. Extra 3 gig data when used in non-5G areas. Valid for 7 days. Kung valid for 1 month naman, $5.99. Only 5G data for 30 days plus extra 12 gig data when you use in 9 5G areas. Valid for 30 days. Mas mahal. $7.99. Only 5G data for 30 days plus extra 24 gig data when you use in non-5G areas. Okay. Next, new Surfsaya tayo. Click natin to. Surfsaya 20. 150 MB araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, ML plus 300 MB plus only all net calls and texts for 2 days. Surfsaya 20, Surfsaya 30, 250 MB araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, ML plus 450 plus all net calls and texts for 3 days. Surfsaya 30, kung valid for 7 days. Surfsaya 49, 100 MB araw-araw for FB, IG, TikTok, ML plus 500 MB plus only all net calls and texts for 7 days. May more pa. Meron pa ba? Ito. Surfsaya 199, 200 MB araw-araw for FB, IG, TikTok, ML plus 2 gig and all net calls and text for 30 days. Surfsaya 99, ganun din pero valid for 7 days. Next. Other promos. Click na FB. FB 10, 200 MB. FB araw-araw for 3 days. FB 15, 1 gig FB for 3 days. FB plus chat 50, 500 MB araw-araw for FB Messenger, IG, and WhatsApp for 7 days. More. FB plus chat 50, 500 MB araw-araw for FB Messenger, IG, and WhatsApp for 7 days. FB plus ML 20, 1 gig for FB and ML for 3 days. FB plus ML 50, 500 MB FBFL. Tignan mo, bulol tayo sa dami. 500 MB FB and ML araw-araw for 7 days. Okay, next. Sa mahilig sa Mobile Legend. ML10, 200 MB ML araw-araw for 3 days. ML15, 1 gig ML for 3 days. Anong pinagkaiba? ML10, 200 MB. 1 gig to isa. Okay, next. ML50, 500 MB, ML araw-araw for 7 days. More. ML50, 500 MB, ML araw-araw for 7 days. Ayun, pares lang. May pinagkaiba lang, may kasamang pang Facebook. Ayun na yun. So, dito naman tayo sa TikTok. TikTok 10, 200 MB TikTok araw-araw for 3 days. TikTok 50, 500 MB, TikTok araw-araw for 7 days. COD, 200 MB Call of Duty araw-araw for 3 days. COD 50, 500 MB Call of Duty araw-araw for 7 days. Ito, ano to? 2 days. Only try net calls and text plus 50 all net text for 2 days. UTP 15. UTP plus 150 MB araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, ML plus 300 MB plus only all net calls and text for 2 days. UTP plus 30, 250 araw-araw for 250 MB araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, ML plus 450 only all net calls and text for 3 days. Pantawid. Click natin to. Pantawid 10, 100 MB plus 100 all net minutes and 100 all net text for 1 day. Pantawid 15, 150 MB plus 150 all net minutes plus 150 all net text for 1 day. Pantawid 20, 200 MB plus only all net calls and text for 1 day. Next, all net 500 MB plus only all net calls and text for 2 days. All net 50, 500 MB plus only all net calls and text for 3 days. All net 99, 1 gig plus only all net calls and text for 7 days. More. All net 299, 2 gig plus only all net calls and text for 30 days. All net 49, 499, 4 gig plus only all net calls and text for 60 days. All net 599, 6 gig plus only all net calls and text for 90 days. That's all. Okay, yun. Yun yung mga promo nila, guys. Ito, meron pa pala. Ano ba to? Already registered your SIM. Now you can get more freebies. Exclusive offer. FB15, 1 gig for 3 days. ML15, 1 gig ML for 3 days. Triple data video. May triple data video. Ano to? Tignan natin. Total 6 gig, 3 gig plus 1 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, Smart, live stream, I want TFC plus only all net calls and text for 3 days. Triple data video plus 149. Total 13 gig, 6 gig plus 1 gig video araw-araw for YouTube, Netflix, etc. Valid for 7 days. Triple data video, ganun din. Pinagkaiba, 30 days lang. Triple data stories, 1 gig stories araw-araw for, yun, valid for 3 days. So, yun, yung mga promo, guys. To, at meron pa to. Saya all 50. 3 gig shareable data for all sites and apps plus 3 gig TikTok plus only all net text for 3 days. Ito pa habol. Triple data stories plus 499, total 42 gig, 12 gig plus 1 gig stories araw-araw for TikTok, IG, FB, Twitter, Kumu plus only all net calls and text for 30 days. So yun, guys, yung mga promo, yun na po yung mga latest internet promo ng mga naka-smart TNT and Sun. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Muli ako nga po wala si Android. See you in my next video.